For this week's assignment, we were asked to create an application that takes a fruit name, a fruit color, and adds it to a list. This list is populated using a SQL database, and items are added using PHP. So, looking into the actual application itself, if I were to add a fruit name, let's go with an apple, and do a green apple, hit submit, it will add an item to the list. Now, it was optional to add the functionality of deleting items, which I decided to go ahead and do. So as you can see, if I were to click an item here, it would delete it. There is very basic HTML form validation. So if I were to leave the fruit color blank and click submit, it would ask me to please fill out the field, which I will go ahead and do. I'll fill out the field, hit submit, and it is added. So actually looking into the code itself, the main page, fruits.php, up at the top is a block of PHP code where you're creating the credentials and a new database object, which when the item's posted, it creates a new one using the username and password to access the localhost database. The block below occurs when a item is posted. Go ahead and comment that piece out. It takes the input fruit name and fruit color and inserts those pieces of data into the database. The database down here below, ID is automatically created when the fruit name and fruit color are added to the database as rows. So down below the PHP block of code, I have some standard HTML markup, some styles to create a nice background and just overall good looks. This block of HTML is created using PHP down below. It actually selects the rows from the fruits table, and using a for each loop creates the specific table rows that you see here. Now going over to the side, the delete button or link, when you were to click it, it actually quickly takes you over to deletefruit.php with the row with the ID field actually attached to it as a get variable. So looking at that block of code, it accesses the database the same way, and the delete statement is here, where it will delete the row based upon the ID field that was passed through the get variable in the link. So actually hovering over this link, you can see down on the bottom left of the screen over here, when I hover over it, actually has the ID of that particular row. Yep, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching.